the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party. And this is what it's about. Ladies and gentlemen, Delhi government and the centre are locked in a battle over a bill passed, a bill that the AAP says will undermine their elected government. BJP says it is only defining the powers of the LG. Here are the facts and then our last debate.
जो सदस्य के पक्ष में वो हाँ कहें, जो सदस्य विरोध में वो ना कहें। मेरे विचार में निर्णय हाँ वालों के पक्ष में हुआ, हाँ वालों के पक्ष में हुआ।
The contentious Government of National Capital Territory of Delhi Amendment Bill was passed in the Lok Sabha. A bill that faced resistance from the ruling Aam Aadmi Party in Delhi.
और देश के संविधान की हत्या है और माननीय सर्वोच्च न्यायालय के संविधान पीठ का अपमान है जो आज लोकसभा के अंदर किया गया। ये हिटलर शाही के अलावा कुछ भी नहीं है।
The new bill proposes to expand the powers of the Lieutenant Governor by ensuring that Delhi Assembly laws are consistent to Lok Sabha and ensure President nod for laws passed by the Legislative Assembly. AAP alleges this is to undermine an elected government in Delhi.
When they say that central government does not have the power or lieutenant governor does not have the power, quite clearly they have not read the provisions which I read in the parliament today. They should go back and read 239A4 and also 239AB. Once they read, they will know what is the status of president. I'm sure the Chief Minister of Delhi cannot claim a better status than the President of India or Lieutenant Governor.
But the BJP says the issue is being blown out of proportion. The new law only defines the powers of the Delhi Lieutenant Governor, thus ending the constant tussle.
उस कानून में लिखा है कि अब से दिल्ली सरकार का मतलब होगा एलजी। तो भाई साहब फिर हमारा क्या मतलब होगा? फिर जनता का क्या मतलब होगा? फिर आपका क्या मतलब होगा? फिर देश की जनता का क्या मतलब होगा?
So is the bill unconstitutional and does it impact federalism? A heated debate is expected in the Rajya Sabha on Tuesday. Let's debate.
Hi everyone, this is Arnab Goswami and I want to talk about our digital platform Republic World, the fastest news destination which has got you covered on all fronts, be it politics, entertainment or sport. And the reason I want you to follow Republic World is because for far too long there has only been negativity about India on the digital medium. Republic World is my campaign against the negativity prevalent on social media and digital media. So for the first time, I offer you a choice. Get the content that builds the nation. Avoid the content and avoid everyone on digital media who speaks against the nation. And do not forget to download the Republic World app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching. Together, let's kill the negativity against India on the digital media. Let's ensure that it's truly nation first, no compromise.